information text. So like with TIMS, we have our Pearls instruments. So we have, for the 4th grade students, the student questionnaire, we have a teacher questionnaire, a principal questionnaire, and the home questionnaire for the parents. And we also have a national questionnaire that ends up in an encyclopedia. So it's really somewhat of the same setup that we just learned about TIMS. And here are some examples from the student questionnaire from 2016, which shows that Pearls is not only a reading literacy assessment, but also collects really rich context data, how they feel about reading, what their attitudes are. This is the Pearls Encyclopedia. So the new one from 2021 is actually already out. You can access that in on our website. Or on the Boston College website, that's also fine. And Katie will actually put in the link in the presentation so that you can click on the links here also. And this gives information about what happened in the different schools or in the different countries throughout the pandemic. So again, the same as TIMS. Pearls is going digital. So we started with that already in the 2016 cycle. And that is now being extended on. And the new cycle of 2026 will actually be fully digital. So this is quite a new experience for us, but something that we really, really like. Because we have now incorporated both Pearls and e-Pearls. So Pearls before was actually paper, reading a text, answering the questions after the text. And then we created e-Pearls, which, as you can see, e-Pearls is designed to monitor how well students read, interpret, and critique online information in an environment that looks and feels like the internet. And before, in the very first cycle that we did e-Pearls, we saw it as two separate models. That means that students or that countries could either do only Pearls or do also e-Pearls. But then the world changed. And now we see it that this is something that every student actually comes across. So that is actually part of the Pearls assessment now. That means that some of the passages in this whole assessment are e-Pearls passages, so are this website-like environment, which is really interesting. I can show you an example of it. It's not yet moving. I will make it move, but I will first tell you. So this little purple guy is called Mr. Webster, and he's our avatar. And he's the professor that actually helps you through the website. Because like a normal website, it isn't linear reading, right? Linear reading, like in a Pearls text, you can start at the beginning and you end somewhere and then you get a question. But a website actually has different links and has different tabs and has all these things you can click on, which means in an assessment, if a student clicks on the wrong tab, you need to have somebody to tell you, yeah, that